Hello, music lovers. My name is Christian. Today, I want to discuss 12 tone serialism. To be able to employ serialism, you need to understand pitch class set theory. I'm going to briefly discuss the concept of set pitch theory and analyze Schoenberg's piano piece. The zero indicates the lowest pitch class in the set. Each semitone we ascend, we will add another number. As you can see, C is 0, C sharp is 1, D flat also can be 1 because it's semitone above C. D is 2, and so on. Now, you can see 12 different pitches in a different order. This is prime 0, then prime 4 will be transposed 4 semitones above prime 0. Next, retrograde is a melodic line in a reverse order from prime. The last pitch of the prime will become the first pitch of the retrograde. So if you read the music from right to left in the prime, that's the exact same order of retrograde. Next is inversion. Inversion moves a symmetrical motion from the prime. Think of it as flipping upside down. In prime, the first pitch F sharp moves 1 semitone down, then 3 semitones down. So in inversion, it'll move 1 semitone up, then 3 semitones up, and so on. The last concept is retrograde inversion. From prime, you invert and then reverse the order. Then it's going to be retrograde inversion. Let's take a listen to Schoenberg's piano piece. This time I'm going to play a little bit slower. The prime order of this piece is B flat, F, C, B, A, F sharp, C sharp, D sharp, G, A flat, D, and E. The prime order is analyzed based on combinatorial method, and I'm going to make another video to discuss about it. In the first measure, I listed all 12 tones from B flat to E in combinatorial order. You can see 3 chords in the first measure. The first chord includes B flat, F, C, and B, which are first 4 pitches in the prime. The second chord employs 5, 6, 7, 8 from the prime, and the third chord uses 9, 10, 11, and 12. In the second measure, Schoenberg uses inversion 5. To explain how to figure out I5, from prime 0, you move 5 semitones up, and it'll become prime 5. From there, you invert all the pitches. Below the second measure, you can see all the pitches from I5. From the measure 3 to 5, retrograde 0 was used in the bass clef, and retrograde inversion 5 was used in the treble clef. To briefly explain how to figure out RI5, from prime 0, move 5 semitones up, and it'll become prime 5. Then revert all the pitches. Then invert all the notes. And for the retrograde 0 in the bottom, you could just revert all the pitches from prime 0. In the third measure, prime pitches of 9, 10, 11, 12 was used in reverse order. In the fourth measure, prime pitches of 5, 6, 7, and 8 was used in reverse order. And in fifth measure, prime pitches of 1, 2, 3, 4 was used in reverse order. Here is composition assignment. You can see 12 tones in prime set in specific order. In the first measure, compose 3 chords. The first chord should include 1, 2, 3, 4, second chord 5, 6, 7, 8, and the third 9, 10, 11, 12. In the second measure, use I4. In the third measure, use 1, 2, 3, 4 from prime with R4 in the treble clef and RI3 in the bass clef. In the fourth measure, use 5, 6, 7, 8 from prime with R2 in the treble clef and RI2 in the bass clef. In the fifth measure, use 9, 10, 11, 12 from prime with R1 in the treble clef and RI1 in the bass clef. Thank you for watching, everyone. I encourage all of you to keep practicing. And don't hesitate to experiment with various ideas. If you have any questions, please write a comment below. Thank you.